this connections means the exact color will be conducted with this one, because what is the work of this color coding, like whatever the front direction, reverse direction, whatever will be giving, that will be taken from here to here by through this bunch of wires. Like this is why the color codings are given generally.
Okay, anyone more can come. But remaining mouse should be closed.
And here I have one black and yellow which will be connected to these sets of wire, like for harnessing current from the battery. Whatever the power will be coming, it will be from these red and black. Okay, you know red is for positive and black is for negative. The same thing we'll be doing here. Now what we'll be doing is, like here we have another type of sensing device. Okay, so which will be given to the harnesses for back and front. Okay, means the connection that will be going for backlights and everything, it will be given to through this wire only, because then it's also current from here only. They will be generating the current and it will be going. Okay. The arrangement. So I have connected this one. And here now it is time to connect the controllers to the harnesses. Okay, here we have here it is already written what are the effects. So it is Hall effect. So in the effect one, Hall effect sensor is in your motor. What is the work of Hall effect sensor? In BLDC motor you have seen that it is work on 3 phases. Okay, but how the controller or how the motor will be knowing that which phase to be connected? So this Hall effect sensor will, what it will be doing? It will be sensing that phase current. Means whichever phase will be near to the polar, okay, that part will be sensed by our controller itself. Okay, then that power will be getting energized and our vehicle will be running. So here we have another bunch of which is called Hall effect sensor connection. Okay, then okay, this is high throttle. Okay, to throttle position, to give the throttle position, we'll be using this later. First we'll be connecting the key one. Okay, okay, here is the key one which is being So this one is given to our key. Only one wire will be used for key power. Okay. So means one wire from our controller and the second wire from directly from the harnesses itself. It will be going for our key part. Okay. So we'll be connecting this with the key. GPS one, you can connect it here. Okay. And it is used for your front and reverse directions. Okay. Front and reverse directions will be here. This one will be front and reverse direction. Okay. Bunch of wires, like 3 wires we have. Here also will be giving the 3 wires. Total position is given. Then we have another one. We'll be giving the buck one. Okay, buck converter will be attaching. So this is the buck converter we have, and we'll be attaching here. Okay, this will be modifying the voltage or stabilizing or working as a transformer, which will be reducing the voltage from the battery, and it will be delivering to other parts. Okay. Okay. So we gave one wire connection because here we have 2 wire connection. How it is? So one wire will be coming from directly from MCB connections. Okay. Yeah. Here it is already been attached to one of the connection and it will be directly coming here. Okay. We have to fit throttle wires. Okay. Throttle positions. One here 2 wires are there. One is used to power your products. Like means how much speed you are giving. Another use the direction one. Here you can see one switch is attached, front and reverse. Okay, it will be controlling the directions of your motor. So here we have your speed one. This one is for speed one. Here we'll be connecting. Here we'll be connecting for speed. It will be connected to your direction.